helping make your life easier. Moms Every Day.
Hello again, I'm Amy Taylor, and we are here at House of Oak and Sofas with Merle Wenger. It's good to see you today.
Hey, it's great to have you at our store here on South Main Street, where we have over an acre of furniture, and I hope maybe I can sell you something today.
I hope you can too. It's beautiful here. And we're talking about Catalina sectionals right now, and sectionals are kind of making a comeback. So let's talk about this a little bit.
Right, with open floor plan, the sectional makes a lot of sense. And so here you're seeing the Catalina, and the reason the Catalina is so popular, the first thing is, well, it's very comfortable, let me tell you. I don't need to get up. But it has this small compact arm. It's clean track arm. It's very comfortable for your arm. But you think about if you have 3 pieces of furniture, how much real estate that saves in your house just by having smaller arms. But the really important thing is that it has power recline. And we have 100 power recliners on our floor because people love them. And so it also has a second recliner for your head. Comes in hundreds of fabrics and 50 leathers.
Wow. So basically anything you're looking for, any texture of fabric, any color, any types of leather, you have it basically.
Right. Also has a USB charging port right here if you need to charge your phone.
Wow. And I love the headrest too. So if you'd like to learn more, come on out and see Merle at House of Oak and Sofas here in Dukes Plaza.
Visit Moms Every Day online or on the go through our Moms Every Day app.